Hi, my name is Aaron and I work in the marketing team at FastTrack. I'm going to be showing you the basics of Microsoft Teams Voice. Throughout this video, I'm going to show you how you can make calls, transfer calls, call existing contacts using the speed dial feature, voicemail, and how to set up your devices so you make a seamless call every time. Calling landlines and mobile numbers is simple. Open Teams, click the call button in the left toolbar, type the number you want to call either with your keyboard or in-app keyboard, click enter or the call button. If you're seeing this screen, you've made your first Teams call. Well done. In Teams, you're able to search for contacts. Start by clicking on the Calls tab. Click Contacts, type in the name of the person you want to call, click the phone button, and voila, you've made a call. If the person you want to call isn't a contact, you can update their contact details in Teams. Just click the Add Contact button, add your contact's name and phone number. You can also add their company and title if you want, but those fields are optional. Once you're done there, click Add. Now it's time to search for the contact you've just added. In the Contacts tab, underneath Contacts, type in the name. So let's search for James. James now appears in our contact list. Click the phone button to make the call. Speed dial is another handy feature in Microsoft Teams Voice. You can find the speed dial under the Calls tab. Click the speed dial tab, select the contact you want to call, and once again, just click the phone button. If the user has a Teams account, the call will default to the receiver's Teams application. Adding someone to your speed dial couldn't be easier. In the speed dial tab, just click the Add Speed Dial button. Type the name of an existing contact into the search bar, click on their name, and click Add. The contact will appear under the Speed Dial tab, ready to be called at a moment's notice. The Consult, Hold, and Transfer features make it easy to see if a colleague is available, giving them context on what the incoming call is about, and to transfer the call all in one action. So I have this call waiting. To begin the process of transferring the call, you click the three dots to bring up the call options. Click Consult then Transfer. Note once you click this, the call will automatically go on hold. Type in the name of the person you wish to consult, then you click Consult. Here you are given a few options. You can send the person an instant message, or you can consult just by calling them. You can also choose whether to transfer the call to your colleague's landline or their mobile number if they're on the move. Microsoft Teams Voice will call their work number by default. Finally, if your colleague doesn't respond, you can send the caller directly to their voicemail. If you ever need to speak to the caller throughout this process, click Stop Consulting and resume the call by clicking Resume. And now you're back with the person who called. What if you're on a call, but you need to dial someone else in? Microsoft Teams Voice has conference features built in. When you're in the call, click the Show Participants button. Type the name or number of the person you would like to add into the call. Click their name and click on them when they appear. Note you can only search by name if they're in your organization. For everyone else, you need to dial in the direct number. And then they're added to the call. The voicemail feature in Teams is honestly one of my favorite features within the platform. Let's have a look. To find a voicemail, click the Calls tab, then click the Voicemails tab. Click on the name or number of the voicemail you want to listen to. As you can see, all the voicemails are automatically transcribed. You can always listen to the voicemail recording by clicking the play button. You might be surprised to find that transcriptions are usually very accurate. In addition to getting your voicemail transcribed in Teams app, Teams will also send you an email with the transcription and the audio recording attached. It makes it really easy to stay up to date with all your missed calls and voicemails. Microsoft Teams Voice will work with pretty much any microphone speaker combo that you can connect to your PC, tablet, or phone. To make sure your device is set up correctly, we recommend setting up a test call. To set up a test call, click the picture icon and then click the Settings button. Click Devices, make sure you pick the right microphone and speaker from the drop-down menu. Record a short message and Microsoft Teams Voice will send the recording back to you. If you don't hear anything, you've picked either the wrong microphone or speaker device. You also get this nifty report at the end of your test. That covers all the Microsoft Teams voice basics. There's hundreds of features built into Teams. If you'd like to learn more about Microsoft Teams voice, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.